fold your normal surgical mask like so in half. Make sure it's edge to edge, and then with the elastic on each side, make a little knot. Just make sure that your mask is edge to edge, and when you make the knot, you make the little knot as close as possible to the actual mask. It's very important that the knot is nice and close to the end of the mask. Okay, do the same on the other side, making sure that the mask is edge to edge. And when you tie the knot, you make sure that it's all the way to the end, nice and close. As you can see, both sides. Now open your mask and adapt the nose part over your nose. That's good. Now you need to fold in the corners just like so. Make sure that it's fully in so that you have this effect. Okay, and do the same thing on the other side. This actually doesn't take long after you do it a few times. I'm just doing it a bit slower because I'm showing you. Okay, so that's done. That's the effect you're aiming to achieve. Then you put the mask over your nose, adapting it well. Make sure that you seat the mask nicely and extend it under your chin. And if you have a look, you'll see that you don't have a big gap. Once you put the mask on, you have achieved a better seal with not much gap. See, if I actually blow air on this mask, you'll see, okay, you can see it inflating and deflating, which means that the seal is a lot better than it was.